I could cry, man. Hey guys, what's up, man? It's emotional, man. No! It's not emotional! It's the freaking mysterious skylander camera. Alright, I won't say that. Oh. Let's unbox it now. Let's unbox it. Let me put my Xbox controller. Let me put that away. Okay, let's look at the package. No. Okay. Guess who it is? Guess who it is? Last chance to guess who it is. What? The fuck is this? Oh! Oh wow! Can you guess who it is? Guess who it is? Goes, oh Wanda! Oh my Allah! Oh my Allah! I can't believe I'm doing this. Alright, I'll be patient. I have to wait to the 5-minute mark. Because I said to myself, this is surreal. It's like a rosa. All the Muslim bros out there, alhamdulillah, you know what a rosa is. So it's like a rosa. It's like a fast. So I'm gonna wait to the 5-minute mark and then unbox him and look at him. You might say why? Because that's my challenge. Because I want to actually where are the machines? I think you're right, brother. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, Last chance. I think you know who it is now. Hello, little guy. Do you want to see who it is? Oh boy. Oh boy. What a character. Ooh, it works. Kinda does. Wow. What a character. Wow. Sick. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Portmaster Harris out.